Hello, what I'm going to show you how to do today is how to replace a turn signal switch on a 2009 Saturn XR. This should work on any Epsilon body, Malibu or G6. Alright, so here's what I'm using. Got it from BWD. Part number is an S14527. And there's the part. It's got the two plugs. So anyway, it's a pretty simple operation. Down here you'll find the 4 screws I'm going to talk about that you have to remove. You can remove these screws down here. The reason I'm replacing this is that the thing won't cancel on its own. It's a typical issue with these. And then separate the upper and lower halves. What you want to do is push up on a tab here, and down on the tab there. Pull that out. Then there's a tab right here. You need to lift that up and pull. And then push down on the tab right there to get that out. Install the new one. Plug that in. Plug that in. Put that back in place. Put your clamshell back together, put your 3 screws in, and you're done. And that's how you do it. Thanks for watching.